I've never heard the phrase small, dark, and handsome. However, when it comes to your house, good things can come in small packages. Just because you have a smaller house doesn't mean it can't have big wow factor. It's just how you use the space, or how you add function and flow, or how you showcase features in every space for buyers to see. Julia, the picture you submitted of your daughter's 50s kitchen, it is tight, it's small, but it could be beautiful. I'm going to take you through a house that had a similar issue, but they didn't have to reconfigure. They updated it without spending a lot of money, and it looks great. I'm Drew Scott, and this is Setting the Stage. Here's a house that's about 850 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It was built back in the 60s. However, when you look at this place, it's nice and fresh. It feels clean. I will admit it feels a little dark in here. That's mainly the lighting, but the color on the wall looks great, and you do have space. The flooring has been redone. You have a pass-through into the kitchen. Now this kitchen, it's not high-end. They did a basic job making this over, and they didn't change the footprint of the kitchen, but I will say I like what they've done. The buyer for this house is going to be a first-time home buyer or a young couple. Maybe they don't have kids yet, maybe they have 1 kid, but they're not looking for a massive home. So as long as you have function and you have a little bit of style and it feels fresh, they're going to be happy. So this house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, all updated. None of the rooms have a lot of money that was spent. Basic crown molding, painting the walls, cleaning up the floors, a nice big walk-in closet for the master bedroom. The second bath is the master bath, completely clean. You have a nice big shower that was added, storage for the vanity. The worst thing for a buyer is to see a listing that says renovated home. They see a brand new kitchen when they come in, but the rest of the house is dated. Spreading the budget around can give you more wow factor overall. This house now has 2 decks, it has big closets, and the smallest bedroom that is a little bit too small to be a bedroom, they've actually staged as a nursery, and it looks great. I actually quite love this house because it's the perfect example of why a small home can still have big wow factor. It's move-in ready. That's what buyers want to see. If you have the budget to reconfigure, change the function a little bit, that's great, you'll get more money. If not, work with what you have, you can still make it a great home.